everybody, welcome back to our 30-day power push-up challenge where we target a different muscle group every time. And today I'm bringing you workout from a beautiful place, one of my favorite, Miami. And we're going to be doing the Spider-Man push-up. That's one of the most challenging ones, but it's going to give you amazing results. You're going to feel it tomorrow. Power forward is going to be assertively polite. I am politely assertive and firm in expressing my needs and desires. Would you say it with me? I am politely assertive and firm in expressing my needs and desires. Now before we begin, make sure that you have something to do your push-ups on. It could be a mat like this or a blanket. Grab something to drink. Again, if you have wrist problems, make sure that you use those wraps, link in the description below. And bring me your best energy and let's get down. We're gonna get down on the mat and place our hands a little wider than shoulder width. We are going to bring the knee up to the elbow, making sure that we are engaging the core, very important, and lowering ourselves. 3 things: the knee up to the elbow, making sure you lower yourself using your shoulders, and engaging your core. You can also do that one with no knees on the mat. That's a little harder. I say try both, but always know your limits. Let's begin. We are done with our first set. Congratulations. Before we do our second and last, drink some water, release tension. We all carry tension. We have trigger points that accumulate that tension. For me, it's usually my lower back and my neck. So I release that tension between sets. I like to stretch before. We all should stretch a few minutes before. And then we release all tension as much as we can at the end. Alrighty, let's go ahead and continue with our second set. You got this. Let's do it. So proud of you. I know this is something extra for some of you. Doing a challenge like that is out of the ordinary. You know how busy you are. So thank you for doing this for you and being a part of the challenge. It really feeds my soul to know that you're getting calm with me. Remember, tomorrow you're going to add one more set, 3 sets, and after tomorrow you're gonna add one more, totaling 4 sets, doing the same thing. Remember your word, remember you're strong, and because you're strong, you can keep things under control. You are assertively polite and firm. You don't need to get out of control to assertively and firmly express what you need, okay? I love you all. Take good care. Keep up the good work. Adios.